Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Airkii Wet Dry Car Vacuum. Here's what you'll receive. The handheld vacuum, 27-inch flexible hose, 13-inch rigid extension tube, brush attachment, crevice tool, AC adapter, instruction manual, and a zippered canvas carrying bag. The vacuum is made from a lightweight plastic and weighs about 2.5 pounds. It measures 16.5 inches long, 5.5 inches high, and 4.5 inches wide. Be sure to remove the plastic cap covering the power switch on top. The vacuum has only one speed setting, so it's an on-off operation. In front of the power button is a release switch for the dustbin. The pieces inside the dustbin simply pull out. This is the dust filter, followed by the large debris screen. The foam sponge filter is removable from its tray as well. The clear dustbin captures all the dirt and debris in the bottom larger receptacle, while the smaller top section is the intake tube. The unit reassembles in seconds by simply pushing the pieces back together, then latching onto the motor unit. At the back of the handle is the port for charging, and this area is the air outflow vent. The unit has an internal battery that will last several hours of use on a full charge. The vacuum can be stored flat or standing up to save room. To use the accessories with the vacuum, simply push the hose, tube, or attachment you want into the intake tube. The attachments can be used with one or both of the extension tubes, or simply connect directly to the vacuum tip. I like that this vacuum can be stored in its carrying bag with all its accessories, so it travels well and can be stowed in the trunk of a car easily. Let's test it out on some hair trimmings. As you can see, the debris swirls around in the dustbin like a vortex, so it doesn't clog the filters. You also don't have to worry about vacuuming in damp conditions, like around the sink, since the vacuum can handle up to 1 ounce of liquid in its chamber. However, it cannot be submerged nor used for large quantities of liquids. The dustbin is easily emptied by pulling out the filters and just dumping it out. For the stuff stuck to the sides, you can just rinse or wash out the main chamber with water. Same goes for the filters. The only real drawback is that the dustbin has a small capacity. Overall, this vacuum works great for small cleanup jobs, and it's easy to use and clean. It captures dust, hair, dirt, and other debris, and it's lightweight, so it doesn't get too tiresome to use. It's also pretty portable, and the battery lasts a while, so it can be used several times before needing to be charged. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.